Welcome to CheekyMini. Smile big, spread joy. Let's have fun together. Hey, little explorers. Ready to splash, giggle, and learn all about colors? With every splat, a new color comes to life. Let's jump into the fun and explore colors a playful way. Let's go! Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color, brown color, black color, pink color, gray color. Let's find what matches each color today. 2 fun things are coming your way. Ready, set, let's play. Red color, apple, and fire truck. Both are in red color. Orange color, carrot, and pumpkin. Both are orange and bright. Yellow color, sun, and banana. Both are yellow and full of fun. Green color, leaf and frog. Both are green. The leaf grows and the frog jumps. Blue color, sky and whale. Both are blue and cool. Purple color, balloons and crayon. Both are purple. The balloon floats and the crayon colors. Brown color, teddy bear and tree trunk. Both are brown. The bear is soft and the trunk is hard. Black color, cat and tire. Both are black. The cat meows and the tire rolls. Pink color, dress and flower. Both are pink color. The dress spins and the flower blooms. Gray color, elephant and rat. Both are gray. The elephant is strong and the rat runs fast. Yay! You did a colorful job. Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the fun. See you next time, little stars.